I will demonstrate today how you can make money online simply by liking videos. I want you to go to this website first, so do that. Workers are satisfied and properly reimbursed and can be seen on their own page. And most importantly, it just works. Therefore, all we need to do is to register. Look through these micro jobs, select the one you like, then do it before providing proof. Before we start, subscribe to the channel. Sign up properly. Click this button which should lead you to this page. There you must provide all the necessary data. Therefore, input your name and email address and make a password, and then just choose your country of your residence from the drop down menu. You will see that it's accessible everywhere. After watching this video, you can use this strategy wherever you are right now. Select I am not a robot and then click create my account. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, after completing that, they will ask you to validate your email address before activating your account. Simply click the link in the email they sent you by going to your inbox. You can access your account after confirming your email address. Therefore, this is how your new account should appear. By the way, the domain name for this site is rapidworkers.com. On this website, there are simply anonymous earning possibilities. In reality, there are several ways to earn money online besides just liking videos, including signing up, visiting websites, downloading apps, following accounts on Twitter, playing games, making Gmail account, and more. However, viewing, enjoying and sharing a YouTube video is the easiest and most lucrative activity. As you can see, when you browse the page, there are varieties of tasks you can complete. Each task has its details, including the amount of money you can earn per completion, the length of time it will take to complete, whether it is still active or not, or completed, and much more. Watch out for tasks that are not marked worldwide as associated with nations that you don't come from, because that is against the regulation. As I previously stated, we will concentrate on activities that require videos. Therefore, I want you to type YouTube into the search field right here. The jobs might then be arranged according to how much money you could make by finishing them. Simply select the most lucrative tasks displayed. First, let's examine this particular task more closely. It will just take us about 3 minutes to complete and be paid $0.70. And when you consider that one like cost $0.70, you can easily calculate the 5 likes will cost $3.50 and 100 likes will cost $70. You can examine the complete details on this page by clicking it. Therefore, you can see here how much work has been done, how much money you will earn, the amount of time needed to finish it, the campaign ID and name, whether it's available globally or only in a particular country, the full instruction and the proof that will be needed once the task has been completed. Now all we have to do is to follow all the instructions to do the assignments, and as soon as we are done, you will get paid. The only drawback, if there is one, to use this website is that you will not make enough money with it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Till we meet again, until then, bye bye for now. Peace.